say mediation is one of the spectrums of ADR, that is alternative dispute resolution. And we say mediation is a process where a neutral third party comes into a dispute between two disputants and finds and helps them to find a resolution to their pressing issue, whereby he helps them, guides them towards an amicable resolution of their dispute. And we say we have conciliation, where a neutral third party also in this instance comes in. However, in this case, in this scenario, the conciliator will advise these disputants on how to resolve this lingering dispute. And we have negotiation, where a neutral agreement to give them professional aid towards negotiating a favorable outcome for their issue. Then we have arbitration, which we said it is a situation where an arbitrator comes in, hears the dispute in question between these parties. After having heard them, he gives an award, and that award becomes binding. However, in this, we also say that every amicable resolution becomes binding once gives an award, and that award processes. And we say, instead of going to the court and you sitting for a long while on litigation, why not choose amicable resolution? The award becomes binding once gives resolution to your dispute. It processes. And we say, if it's fast and it sustains relationship, so we are urging the public to adapt and become binding once resolution to your dispute. So coming from our last, if it's fast and it sustains relationship, so we are urging the public to adapt and become
Last edition left my heart control, left me touched. I was moved, especially by the message that particularly from most of our last edition talking about our mediation. Conflict in the home really happens in every home. It's a normal thing, especially that we are going to your sister so peculiar to just you. Yeah, it might be last edition talking about our mediation. We all go through one crisis or the other. And the beauty about conflict that most family and friends do not understand that we agree to disagree and disagree to agree. So it helps us to get to understand ourselves better, because I see conflict to be a game of perspective. I'm saying A, you are saying B. Or I'm saying letter 6, you're saying letter 9, depending on where you are disagree to. So I think it's a game of us to get to understand ourselves that we do not settle down to be a game of perspective. So it's important I'm saying A, how to say, how to express your anger, your pain, even your joy. Sometimes it's important to learn. So I think other people as he or she is also speaking, because we are all human down and we are unique in our important I'm saying how to say, how to express your anger, your pain, even your joy. Sometimes
we
it's
need to
important
tell
to
our
learn.
listeners
So
that
I
this
think
is
other
GO
people
and
as he or she
Associate
is also
Community
speaking,
Dispute
because we are all
Resolution
human down and we are
and one
unique
of
in
the
our
things we do at
saying
GO and
how to
Associate
say,
is to help
how to
people
express
come
your
to
anger,
our
your pain,
resolution.
even
And we
your
say
joy.
in our firm, we take in pro bono cases. We just want peace in the society, especially the community. And we say one of the things we do, 070 6447 5062. And we say in 070 we take in pro bono cases. We just want peace to, or you can use this other option, 0814 00 989. I take that again, 081 400 989, so that you can actually join us in this discussion. One of the things about homes, you need to get the home in place. And sometimes you have homes where men naturally don't talk. Men naturally don't talk. So whenever things about homes and things are happening, you just see that silent attitude. He's not saying anything. And the wife wants him to say something because she's saying something. You understand? So sometimes it's as if that men wants to get under the rug. I mean, things are going on. The man is not saying anything, and the wife is not happy about that. And they're just packing the dirty under the rug. And after a while, the rug will start stinking. Deborah, what do you have to say
You got me. The men don't sulk. I don't understand. Well, lately I had.
Most men.
Thank you for correcting that. Lately I had cause to say that it's not as if men do not talk. We have certain men that talk, and we have certain women so not talk. I don't understand. We have certain women that talk. Well, and that do not that men that talk. I think it goes vice versa for most. It's not as if men do not talk. So it's not as if men that the truth is have certain talking so not as women that talk. Well, task and that men that talk. Body sorry, me I'm bored. I don't like talking. The truth is we are human beings. We are relational. The truth is nobody can enter your mind to figure out what you are thinking, seeing, or feeling at a particular time. You must be able to communicate your thoughts, your ideas. That's why we have to live in a synergetic world. It's an ecosystem where everything goes round. It's symbiotic nature. You must be able to. Now you can't know my thoughts. I can't. If I'm not saying what I'm saying to this mic, you wouldn't know what I was thinking when you said it. So it's important to stop shelving, stop putting things on that top. Aside the fact that if you can't one day you will escalate, and we'll be wondering where is this escalation coming from? My pastor calls it the thunder and whisper experience. Then you whisper something to someone and the person starts gyrating and fighting, and you're wondering what did. So they say don't worry about the person making the thunder. Find out what was said. What was said carried that effect. Pull out that amount of stuff. I think it's important. The person starts gyrating and fighting, and you're wondering what did. So they say don't worry about the person making the thunder. Find out what was said. So that what was said carried that effect. Speak to them, communicate to that amount of stuff about it. It's important. And why gyrating and fighting, and you're wondering what did. So they say don't worry about the person making the thunder.
You know,
So that what was said carried that effect. Speak to them, communicate to that amount of stuff about it. It's important.
I mean,
And why
time
gyrating and fighting, and you're wondering what did.
he says my heart has skipped. You know, he said when you get that place, let's stop. Or in the middle of the night, I mean, time will stop. He said his mind will, his head will just do 360. So they ask himself, what is
What have I done now?
I mean, so I want to ask one on his behalf.
Okay.
So why do you like waking the guy up by 12:60? So they ask himself,
Because they are always busy throughout the day. You guys love to form activity and you escape. You form activity and escape. You escape from talking, you escape from. You know that your wife is angry. You know you see from they are always busy. You have a gyrating wife at home. And therefore whatever she comes and you escape. You form activity and escape. Even cutting her is talking, you escape from. You know that your wife because you're supposed to know something was wrong. You have a gyrating wife at home. But she says no problem because she escapes. No form activity and escape. And when cutting her is talking, you hear the wife said, you have to because you're supposed to know by experience from perhaps let me put it that way. But she says no problem because she escapes. No form activity. She tries to form face, keep her face, withdraw. She does all the withdrawal tactics, all the atmosphere from perhaps good morning, good night, say here's your food, hello, hi, you know, and thinking the husband is supposed to. She tries to. She went the first day, second day, she does all the one week part, all the wedding. And so she wasn't sure at what point is this bro coming down from the high horse to realize she has got to eat well. And he never came. So one day she decided to, I don't understand. It's not that you don't understand or have not noticed when I have not been. So she wasn't sure at what point is this bro coming down from the high horse to realize she has got to herself. Really what? So one day she decided to, so she realized that she better learn to talk because some men just know they you cannot understand them. So talk. But you have got to herself. Really what? One of the things that have to buy realized that she better learn to talk because some men just know they you cannot understand them. So talk. But you have got to herself. Then I try to put it in the best way. One of the things that have to buy realized that the second thing is I talk about the same thing. Some men just know they you cannot understand them. And I let it talk. And I let it talk. But if it's a an outcome that my friend, my spouse, my child, anybody around is like the sort of ability here, then I realize I'm absent. So I address it because I have not dealt with it and I can't deal with it to get it. But if an outcome that about that, my spouse, my child, anybody around, like the sort of ability it touches me as a person. So this is why I address it because I have not dealt with it and I don't know how to communicate together. But if it's somebody who knows how to respond about that, colleagues don't know how to talk to themselves, neighbors don't know how to touch me as a person. Family, this is why I address it how, and that's creating further rift and divide in the family. We need help for that. Colleagues don't know how to talk to themselves,
It boils down to
neighbors
the
don't know
fact
how
that
to touch me
communication
as a
is
person.
the
Family,
key.
is why I
There's this saying that where there
and
is no
that's
communication,
creating
there is
further
no
rift
information.
and divide
And where there is no information, there is no understanding. Where there is no understanding, there is no relationship. And of course, when there's no relationship, there's this saying that so it boils down to communication. And one of the more information is there is no understanding. Communicate. Where there is no understanding, say something. I mean, and that is the bedrock of most conflicts in the home. You see, if you ask the National Human Rights Commission or communication, we discover when you talk about things, with problems and challenges, and you see like this man this issue. I mean, and you find out that bedrock of most conflicts in the home. You see, if you ask the National Human Rights Commission, so if we discover when you talk about things, with problems, understanding of your position, the relationship will be affected and the love rather down. Before you know what, you say when you have a frag, the lizard and the hungry or what they call it, start coming in. So one of the things we want to do a lot is to do rather down to talk. Before you know what, you say when you have a frag, the lizard and the hungry or what they call it, start coming in. So one of the things we want to do.
Maybe the men might have to tell us. I wish that someone would call in to help us know why they shy away from talking. I can only speak from my perspective as a woman that we love to hear you. We love to hear men express what is inside their head. Maybe the men might have to tell us. I tend to say that why they shy away from talking. I can only speak from my perspective as a woman. And it's not about putting up with defense or being ready. We love to hear feedback, express what is inside their head. It's about empathy. Going behind I tend to say that why they shy away from talking. Because at the moment, and it's not about putting up with defense or being ready. We love to hear feedback, express. So there are little gestures about empathy. But they see behind always, and you just realize that it's also the gap in his mind. Because at the moment, so I guess men love to hide away or shy away because they don't know yet how we feel empathy. But they see what word can use to put it together. They are also hurting. They are hot and they probably do not understand what their spouse is trying to do. Because they do.
All right, for our listeners, you can also call in this to the number
What word can use to put it together. They are also hurting. They are hot and they probably do not understand what their spouse is trying to do.
64475. All right, for our listeners, 0814 You can call in, share your perspective, share your experiences, and we'll be here to hear you out. One of the things we want to maybe communicate to our audience out there is that ADR experiences is a safe space for people to talk. And if you see like in mediation, what do we do in mediation? Is to hear you talk, communicate, is to bring you to a table where you talk, where you speak. And mediation is your issue. What the mediator does is to just to facilitate this process of communication amongst the disputing parties, where you can now come up with a solution. Because you see, in mediation, this solution is with the party. Is to just to the party then have the solution of their problem. So what you just need to do is to hear them out. Where you can, when they come together, when they start speaking, because you have this solution is now is to just to maybe let me ask you, have you had a problem? So what you just need to do is to hear them out. Where you can, when they come together,
As a mediation,
because you have this solution
father's house. I put it that way. And I happened to be the last born. So see how fortunate I used to start. And then I had to call every member of my family. And I said, okay, for the sake of this meeting, I am no last born. I am a mediator. So you guys are going to sit down. I'll call the shots here, but we need to talk. We need to straighten out. You know that situation in the family where there's always that one person that everybody reports to. Everybody complains to. Everybody wants to share. I'll call the shots here. One day the two person is alright. Can we all straighten it out? And all those things you have been sharing, that one person that everybody reports to. Everybody complains. That is everybody wants to share. And so one day the two person is alright. We are still in the process and all those things you have been sharing, that is one person that everybody
And that is the power of
everybody
creativity.
that is everybody wants to hear.
I had a situation where I needed to mediate in a couple's issue. And funny enough, like we just said earlier, and that is the power. The wife feels that the husband was no longer loving. I had a situation where yes, and so she decided to go into her shell. Funny enough, like the husband felt that the wife is becoming, the wife feels that disobedient, no longer taking directives from me, and before you know what, this post she decided to go into the third world war, of course nobody was talking, but you know the tension was I mean. So we had to come in to mediate, and the wife feels that so obedient, no longer taking directives from me, started pouring out. Before you know what, parties were so tired where I missed it, where I did all the wrong work, home today. Of course, nobody was talking on it, but you know, it's not a magic. So it's something we need to create, and that's what marriage is. Marriage is something we need to see work. And you know, the truth of the matter is that conflict is inevitable as long as man is yes, because when you are in a relationship with people, you need to understand the fact that they don't have your obligation. And that's what marriage is. Marriage is something different. And like we say, if the both of you think alike, then one person is not needed. Because when you both of you think alike, one person is not needed. Variety is the spice of life. Okay, we have a caller. All right, good evening. And like we say, good evening, sir. If the both of you think alike, then one I'm good. Who is on the line now? When you both of you think alike, one person is not needed. Go ahead. Variety is the spice of life. Okay, we have a caller. All right, good evening. And like we say, good evening, sir. If the both of you think alike, then one I'm good. Who is on the line now? When you both of you think alike, one person is not needed. Go ahead. Okay. Okay, we have a caller. All right, good evening. Good evening, sir. Okay, what will happen is that immediately after the show, you can call us on 070-6447-5062. You can take that down. 070. Okay, we are live on the show, so probably most likely after the show you just what will happen is that immediately after the show. All right, so 070-6447-5062. You can take that down. 070.
We are particular about resolving conflict in the family.
Okay, we are live on the show, so probably most likely after the show you just what will happen is that immediately after the show. All right, so 070. Sure. 6447
calm down. We're talking about conflict and communicate and how that get tired of conflict. And we have particular and we have been speaking, we have been still for meeting. What has come out of it? No, probably is the way you go about it and the way you are presenting the table of mediation. You can sit with the fact that we want to resolve this. Some people want to pay as though it's part of their birthright. You know, let it go. Forgive. Some things have happened 20, 10, 15 years ago. Some people still carry that. How people as though it just happened yesterday. You know, at what point do you want to take this life is so short, keeping things sweet. Some of us are not enjoying life because we are full of suspicion, assumptions, pain. Please, let it go and survive. Some
sometimes in the middle of a session, and we hear maybe parties they want to express themselves, the way they go about it, I mean, you feel the pain, and the person is like expressing himself, he's like they can feel the emotion, and you don't want to let go. And you see today people slumping and dying, and so that is why we're talking about alternative dispute resolution area. And one of the things we come to do is to bring peace to the home. And once the home is gotten right in the society, they can feel the emotion. Wow. Sometimes what will be your party to this people slumping and dying? So that is why we're talking about alternative dispute resolution area. And one of the things we come to do is to bring peace to the home. And once the home is gotten right in the society, they can feel the emotion. Wow. Sometimes what will be your party to this people slumping and dying? So that is why we're talking about alternative dispute resolution area. And one of the things we come to do is to bring peace.
Remember that we need any of the homes in the is an error by
Wow.
and one thing is not corruption. We need ourselves. That's why our world is full of people. In a world with almost 8 billion people, please, you can't choose to live next to animals and say you don't need anyone. We all need them. Any of the homes. A part in the world is time. It's an error. It's time to let go. And one thing to be corruption. We need ourselves. That's why our world is full of people. In a world with almost 8 billion
I would say don't bottle it up.
Please, you can't
Speak out. If you can't speak to your spouse, if you can't speak to that, you can meet a mediator. Come to mediator and resolve your dispute. Area is not just for the rich alone. Everyone is welcome into area. And at GO and Associated Airport, we offer family mediation right here in Kaduna. You can contact us at number 3 Kachiaro off Station Market beside Polaris Branch in Kaduna. And we are just one call away. 070-6447-5062 and everyone. Thank you for listening to it. And at GO and Associated Airport, we offer family mediation right here in Kaduna. You can contact us at number 3 Kachiaro off Station Market beside Polaris Branch in Kaduna. And we are just one call away. 070-6447-5062 Wow. Jelix!